All right, my young champions, Harding Ison-Bowman, partnerwithgreatness.com, about to check a few fistfuls of spinach in the professional commercial grade Ninja blender and see what happens when this thing just blitzes the spinach into 1,000 smithereens. It's gonna be pretty cool. So I got this container of baby spinach. If you ever see the spinach and you see these weird looking little long leaves right here, that's the baby leaf. That's the primordial, the very first pair of leaves that comes out of the spinach seed when it first sprouts is these little long weird ones, and then it takes on the true spinach leaf form, all the leaves after that. So just a little something there. Don't be disturbed by that. So I'm going to give it a little liquid, little almond milk here to add some liquid, give it something to work with. But this thing is extremely terrifying blender, and I think it will just absolutely liquefy this spinach. This is going to be the base of my 10 o'clock in the morning, mid-morning, high calorie, high nutrient meal here, liquid meal. So, oh my gosh, power on, baby, let's go. All right, this thing sounds like a diesel engine. It's ridiculous. So a few leaves are kind of stuck up there, but pretty much liquefied that spinach. And if you go ahead and like hide the flavor profile of the spinach with, you know, some chocolate whey protein, enriching it up with a little plain yogurt, some other protein. I've got like some dried berries and cacao nibs. And look, I got manager special stuff here. I'm not too proud to scavenge in the grocery store and find the deals. It's cool. If you just find one or two of these ingredients each time you go to the grocery, you can accumulate your little stash of options to choose from for a high quality, nutrient dense meal replacement shake. I've got some flaxseed back here for some dietary fiber and healthy fats. I've got some other oils here, liquid coconut oil, some hemp seed oil from right here in Kentucky, extra virgin olive oil. Those are kind of the three that I rock with for all my cooking and smoothies and baking and all that stuff. So I've got my healthy fats, my fiber and greens, I've got my protein. This is gonna be a great day. I'm ready to rock it out. I'm ready to just fuel my body properly, naturally. Gonna get in the gym later and shred. Having an active lifestyle is definitely part of good stewardship of your life. It's hard to serve others and do well and achieve and kick some serious butt if you don't have energy, if you don't have strength. So health is wealth. The foundation of all of our dreaming and achieving needs to start with personal health. Strongly believe that. So hope this adds value to you. It's really simple and easy to stay healthy. It's just you got to know some of the right tricks. And I'm here for you if you have any other questions. Harding Ison-Bowman, partnerwithgreatness.com. I'm out. Have a great day.